Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. President-elect Donald Trump named Patomic Global Partners founder and CEO Paul Atkins as his pick to head up the US SEC on Wednesday. Well, Atkins, who co-chairs the Digital Chambers Token Alliance and is an advisor to Reserve, previously served as a commissioner at the agency under former President George W. Bush between 2002 and 2008. So Atkins will succeed outgoing SEC Chair Gary Gensler, who previously announced he'd resign at noon on Jan 20 when Trump is sworn into office as the US's 47th president. North American Bitcoin mining company Hut 8 announced a $250 million stock repurchase along with a share sale program, with the proceeds going towards growth initiatives, including buying Bitcoin as a strategic reserve. So Hut 8's at-the-market offering program will enable the company to sell up to $500 million in common stock, with proceeds used for acquiring or developing power and digital infrastructure, a Bitcoin strategic reserve, and other corporate purposes, including capital expenditures and debt repayment. Well, Hut 8 stock dipped to $6.33 in January following a report by a short seller that rattled investors. It has rebounded 326% since then to $27.03 on December 4, according to Google Finance. Long-collapsed crypto exchange Mt. Gox moved over 24,000 Bitcoin, worth nearly $2.5 billion, to an unknown address on December 5 after the cryptocurrency hit a milestone of $100,000. Well, Arkham Intelligence data shows that the exchange moved 24,051 Bitcoin to an unknown address with no previous history, starting at 2:45 a.m. UTC on December 5 and its first transfer since November 12. Mt. Gox's move came just 12 minutes after Bitcoin crossed $100,000 and less than half an hour before Bitcoin hit a high of $104,000 on Coinbase at 3:08 a.m. UTC per TradingView. Crypto mining company BitMining said its move to mine proof-of-work coins, DogeCoin and Litecoin, has been more profitable than mining only Bitcoin. BitMining, which previously only mined Bitcoin, said on December 4 that its expansion into Dogecoin and Litecoin has proved to be nearly 3 times more profitable than mining Bitcoin alone. The company said up till November 27, it had mined $94.8 million worth of Doge and $10.7 million worth of Litecoin. It did not say how much of the mined Doge and LTC it had held onto, as both cryptocurrencies have surged over the past month. BitMining reported holding 22.6 Bitcoin at the end of 2023, currently worth $2.2 million. Justin Sun, founder of Tron, outlined a vision for cryptocurrency, drawing inspiration from MicroStrategy's strategy of holding Bitcoin to boost its balance sheet. Sun hinted that Tron could adopt a similar approach, potentially holding Bitcoin or developing TRX to attract institutional investors. Well, he also suggested expanding TRX's use in financial applications to boost its value. Sun expressed optimism about US crypto regulation, believing it could spur innovation, and noted that Tron's growth could mirror XRP's recent success. The US Commodity Futures Trading Commission has secured a record $17.1 billion in monetary relief, largely driven by enforcement actions against crypto firms like FTX and Binance. So most of this sum comes from the FTX case, where founder Sam Bankman-Fried was ordered to pay $12.7 billion, and Binance's settlement totaled $2.85 billion. In addition, the SEC has fined crypto companies $8.2 billion in 2024, with over half stemming from its case against Terraform Labs. As US leadership changes, there's speculation that aggressive crypto enforcement may ease unless more major fraud cases emerge. Bitcoin's price hit a milestone of $100,000, driving the overall crypto market to a new all-time high, with altcoins seeing significant gains. Among them, the Sandbox token emerged as the top daily gainer, surpassing the $1 mark for the first time in 22 months. In the past 24 hours, Sand surged by 12.67%, with a trading volume of nearly $4 billion. It has gained 55.35% over the past week and 300.47% in the last 30 days. PancakeSwap has launched Springboard, a new no-code token deployer that allows users to create and launch meme coins and other tokens directly on the BNB chain. The feature, launched on December 4, aims to make token creation accessible without the need for coding and eliminates the need for pre-sales or seed funding. So Springboard offers automatic liquidity pairing, allowing tokens to become tradable immediately on PancakeSwap. Shiba Inu is experiencing strong growth, with its price up 17% this month and reaching an all-time high for Shibarium, its Layer 2 blockchain. So Shibarium's total value locked recently hit $10.47 million, marking an 851% increase since September. The blockchain performance is also reflected in its growing user base, with a 13.27% rise in accounts and a 29.79% increase in transactions. ShibaSwap, the most dominant app on Shibarium, has seen a 94.1% growth in TVL, now at $4.02 million. Shibarium currently ranks as the 105th largest chain, and with SHIB's $18.49 billion market cap, the ecosystem has significant room for growth. El Salvador's Bitcoin holdings have surpassed $600 million, growing from 2,381 Bitcoin in February 2021 to 5,954.77 Bitcoin today. This increase is due to Bitcoin's price surge, which has risen nearly 48% since March 2021. Now, despite initial criticism, President Bukele's decision to adopt Bitcoin as legal tender during a financial crisis has paid off. El Salvador now ranks 6th globally in Bitcoin holdings. Bitcoin recently hit $102,612, with experts predicting further growth in the current halving cycle. So that's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching Free.TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.io or scan the QR code. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off.